Hello? Excuse me? Subscribe? Yes? Yeah. So, show you a bit of silicone in today. We're going to get a nice neat line. None of that fancy tool stuff. Yeah. Come on then. Come on. Oi, come on. Right then, let's get a bit of frog tape, masking tape, whichever you want to use. I personally like a bit of frog tape. Extend it. You want an 1/8 gap, 3mm, 0.3 centimeters, whichever you want to use, and then spread it all in a straight line all along the bottom. And then you turn your camera so you can get round the corner, and the same again, 3mm, an 1/8 or 0.3 centimeter gap from the tile. Now it's for stage 2, along the tiles, the same gap above it, an 1/8, 3mm, or, you get it, 0.3 centimeter. This is stacking edges. I know. Activate fast forward mode. Yeah, now it's for the, I'd say skillful bit, but it's no skill whatsoever. You get your silicone gun and put it in. Squid. Yeah. That's one line. Yep. That's 2 lines. And go back over it because you didn't put enough in. I turn camera. That's another line. Are we done? And now it's the messy part. Lube up that finger with your saliva and just rub it in with one fluent stroke. Lube up your finger again, but keep a tissue handy to wipe all the excess. Lube it up and wipe. Lube it up and wipe. Keep doing that And now pull off the tape very gingerly, because you don't want this silicone to go all over the place. But once you do it, it'll need a nice straight line. Look at that. Ooh, such straight lines. Ooh, ooh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. You are welcome. Right, that's it. That's how to do a bit of silicone. Stay tuned for more. Toodles!